I'd like to share with you some excellence in report writing. Here's executive summary, the first example. Executive summaries are short. They're not pages or paragraphs long. It simply says what you did. Here was another example of an executive summary that will tell them what you did. Here is an example of a SWOT analysis. Notice they simply put it out in a Word document and they labeled it. As you can see, it's Table 1 with the title and where it was who created it and not who, but how it was created. Here was another example of how someone did a SWOT analysis. And here again is the wording about how it got created. Here's a visual. Notice they have a title for the visual, and they say where it came from, how it was created. And they explain it in a few sentences. You need both. When you have the table with a title, with this, you need to have a narrative explanation. The idea of a visual is to get information across through reading and through looking at pictures, if you want to put it that way. This was an example of excellence in research methods. They told us the words they searched. They went to other reputable magazines like Forbes and Fortune. They told us the host that they went and searched for. That's exactly what we should be doing. Citations were APA. Notice that APA is not double-spaced on citations. Nice spacing in between, and it's all formatted like it should be. Now let's look at the notes. This team, and I've eliminated, I think, everybody's name, simply made a word chart, okay? And what I want to point out is the use of virtual meetings. Collaborate is built into Blackboard. Other teams have used FaceTime because of the predominance of iPhones. But the point being, it's really important to meet virtually. And they recorded they met virtually every time. And a final meeting as a team to review the final draft before submission. Well, this is another type of notes. They made a spreadsheet. So if you have a talented person in spreadsheets, that might be the way to go. So there you go. I wanted to summarize some of the excellent points, and this document will be uploaded as a Word document. Thank you.